Selamat pagi, Bapak-Bapak, Ibu-Ibu semuanya. Selamat datang kepada acara pagi hari ini. Masih pagi banget, tapi the ones who are here today, special thank you to all of you, early risers and the ones who support MMA the most. So terima kasih. Thank you so much. Welcome back, Bapak Rohit. Good to see you. Bapak Rohit, and a lot of guests who have come from Singapore, Thailand, Malaysia, Vietnam. So thank you. This is a very, very special day for us. We have two events on this day, but before we get to that, I just want to say that all of us here present today, we are the ones driving the industry to do better. We are the ones driving the industry to actually move the needle, stay ahead of the curve. And we're not here just to celebrate marketing and advertising excellence, but we are here to actually build it. So for MMA to have our brand partners, agency partners, thought leaders, solid case studies to talk about, data and insights, for us this is spectacular. For us this makes it possible for an industry body, an alliance like Marketing and Media Alliance, to do better year on year, to be able to showcase some of the best work so that we grow as an industry together. We can't do it without each other. So special thank you for all the collaborations. All year through. Special thank you to all the speakers who are here today who've made it possible for this event to happen. So today akan ada dua acara. Yang pertama adalah Smarties Unplugged. Smarties Unplugged is about Smarties Awards Indonesia 2025, some of the winning case studies, what really worked, what made these brands and these campaigns spectacular. We had hundreds, like 800 plus entries, but the ones that really stood out in the eyes of the jury, the ones that, differentiated their campaigns and made a difference to the communities, to the societies, we're going to celebrate that. We're going to talk about how the concept of an idea came about, what kind of challenges they were trying to sort out and overcome, how did the collaborations with the agencies happen, what kind of innovative technology that they used to make their campaigns so much more effective and then drive business growth. And it doesn't even end there. We're actually looking at what did they do after successful campaigns? How did they even maximize that kind of customer relationship and the data that they accumulated, and how did they build the relationships that actually mattered with their consumers and maintained the loyalty. So Smarties Unplugged is going to be all about what really works, how to write the best case studies, how do you present the best case studies, the ideas behind it. So that's the first half. Of course, AI is a big thing. As Smarties Awards, we have seen the improvement in the quality, in the submission, in the way campaigns are presented to us, in the way AI has made a difference in the overall business impact of the organization. So AI is a big thing. We will also be inviting the AI think tank that has recently been formed for Indonesia. They're going to come up and say a few words and also share with you the concept of AI, how AI actually helps leaders and marketers in Indonesia. I'll also talk about Smarties Unplugged booklet and the AI coach for Smarties, but that's a little later. The second half of the day, we're going to look at a creative summit. Ini kita pertama kali akan ada creative summit di Indonesia dan juga di Vietnam. Why creativity has become such a big topic in Indonesia? We are anticipating 1,7 triliun rupiah of creative growth in Indonesia by the end of this year, within 2026. That's a huge number. I also believe a lot of agencies are creating sub-agencies that focus on creativity. So what we've noticed in Indonesia, especially through the journey of meeting up with a lot of brands, seeing some of their campaigns, is that storytelling and creativity now has become absolutely authentic, raw, it's become bold, and it's acceptable at a global, regional, and local stage. So we're seeing this change that is happening. We're seeing how consumers are engaging on every digital platform as far as creativity is concerned. We're looking at the growth it has created within the economy. So that's why MMA felt that it is absolutely important to look at creativity as a separate pillar to focus on, and that's why we have the Creative Summit as part of the event today as well. So that's the second half of the day. All of you are most welcome to continue and join us for the Creative Summit after lunch as well. So those are two events happening today. We're all here to make sure that the learnings, apapun yang kita akan pelajarin hari ini, we're going to implement it and make sure we all, as an industry, grow together. Back to Smarties Unplugged, we are launching a Smarties booklet, which is specifically for Indonesia. Ini yang ketiga. This booklet is going to, share the best practices, what are the common mistakes brands and agencies actually do when they submit their campaigns, what are the must-haves, what are the best ways to look into the jury perspective as well, how does the jury come about, what happens behind the meeting rooms of the jury when that happens, how do they review these campaigns. So there's a lot that the Smarties booklet is also going to share with you. Smarties Award submissions are open, so all the team members who are working on the campaigns from your side, please share with them this booklet. We also have a Smarties GPT coach, although I personally believe Bapa Rohit here is our GPT Smarties coach because he knows everything. He's the CEO of Smarties globally, so he's a walking and talking coach. You are most welcome, Gambu Bapa, nanti di acara ini. It's okay, he's, the king of the Smarties, I would say. So, but the Smarties GPT coach will actually help you navigate through your submissions. It'll help you identify the best campaigns, the sub-campaigns that are most fitted for the categories for your campaigns, subcategories for your campaigns. It can help you write storytelling in a way that it's most fitted. It will reflect, it will share with you what's missing. Some sources are missing, some data is missing. So it's going to actually help you refine your case studies. It's going to help you get into the stronger element of your case studies. It's going to share with you, what's the best way to submit your video campaigns and how to actually tell that story for the different categories. So utilize the Smarties GPT coach. Scan this barcode. This is very helpful for your submissions this year. And yeah, we hope to have all of you as part of the entire calendar we have for 2026. Terima kasih sekali lagi Bapak dan Ibu. Really happy to have you all here. Selamat pagi and hope you have a fabulous day ahead. Thank you to the Midas team. Thank you to the event organizing team Jago. Thank you to the MA team. I know it's been very, very challenging. All my team members, terima kasih. Thank you all once again.
Thank you, Ms. Santi.